Welcome back. After exploring how tornadoes form, it's crucial to discuss safety. Today, we delve into crafting a tornado safety plan. A well-prepared plan is your best defense. Firstly, know the signs of an impending tornado. Dark greenish skies, large hail, a visible funnel cloud, or a roar like a freight train are clear warnings. Staying alert to these signs is vital. A robust safety plan starts with staying informed. Use weather radios, apps, and news to get alerts. Designate a safe room, preferably a basement or an interior room without windows. Stock an emergency kit with essentials: water, food, flashlight, batteries, first aid, medications, a whistle, and protected important documents. Equally important is a family communication plan. Ensure everyone knows how to reach each other and where to meet if separated. Regular tornado drills will ingrain these steps in your family's memory. When a tornado strikes, act immediately. Seek your safe room without delay. Protect yourself under sturdy furniture and use blankets or mattresses for additional cover. Keep a weather radio or smartphone handy to stay updated on the tornado's status. If outdoors, find a ditch or low-lying area to lie flat in, covering your head with your hands. Never seek shelter under bridges. They can amplify winds. In a vehicle, drive to a sturdy shelter if possible. Otherwise, stay buckled in, head below windows and cover up. If that's not safe, exit and find a low area to take cover. Remember, a practice plan can save lives. Regularly review and update your plan and emergency kit. Stay weather aware and prepared. Share these tips to help others stay safe. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving information. Stay safe out there.